Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometric problem. We have a right angle triangle. Consider this triangle is A, B, C, and there is a square inside this triangle. Consider this point is D, this is E, and this point F, such that the length of AD is 5 unit, the length of this CD is 10 unit. We have to find the area of this square BFDE. At first, consider the side length of this square as x. So this DE, this will be x, and this DF, this will also x, because this is a square and every side of this square is same. And the length of AE consider as A. Now in triangle AED and in triangle DFC, this ED is parallel to FC, and these two lines intersects by AC. So this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle E is equal to this angle F, because both of these two angles are 90 degree. So rest of this angle A is equal to this D. So these two triangles are similar triangle. So according to the law of angle similarity, we can write this AE divided by AD, AE divided by AD is equal to, from this triangle, DF divided by this CD. Now substitute this value, we can write AE, this is A, divided by AD, this is 5 unit, is equal to DF is X, over this CD, this is 10 unit. Now applying cross multiplication, we can write this 5 times X is 5X, is equal to this A times 10, this is 10A. Now divided both sides by 5, we will get the value of X is equal to 10 divided by 5 is 2 times this A. Consider this as equation number 1. Now as AED, this is a right angle triangle. So applying Pythagorean theorem in this triangle, we can write AE square, this height square plus this base square, plus ED square is equal to the hypotenuse of this triangle AD. So AD square, or now substitute AE as A. So A square plus ED, this ED is X. So X square is equal to AD square. AD is 5 unit. So 5 square, or in here X is equal to twice A. Substitute here, we can write this A square plus X is equal to twice A So twice a, this x and this square is equal to, right side 5 square is 25, or left side this a square plus twice a whole square, this is 2a square is 4 times this a square is equal to right side 25, or this a square plus 4a square is 5a square is equal to right side 25. Now divided both side by 5, we will get a square is equal to 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now taking a square root to both sides, we will get the value of a. So from here we can write a is equal to this square root of 5. So this is the value of a, and we have x is equal to twice a from equation 1. So substitute a is equal to square root of 5 here. We will get the value of x is equal to 2 times a. That means 2 times a is square root of 5. So the value of x is equal to 2 times square root of 5. We have found the side length of this square. So the area of this square, this will be side length square. This is x square. Now substitute x is equal to 2 times square root over 5. Here we can write 2 times square root of 5. This is the value of x and whole square is equal to, this 2a square is 4 and this square root and this square will cancel and it will be 5. Now 4 times 5 is 20. So the area of this square is 20 square units. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.